enjoy your time on this channel. Drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you enjoy our content. Catch you next time. Hey guys, welcome to CFO Adventures. This trip, I have my cousin joining me. This is Savraj, enjoying his banana. Hey guys. We've already packed up, started the vlog a bit late, and yeah, a bit of rush to get going. But we'll get there. We are going to North Head and Sandy Cape this weekend. It's gonna be a fun trip. It's just me and Savraj for tonight, but I'm joining one of my other cousins who's in, where is he?
Ledge Point.
Ledge Point. He's in Ledge Point, so we're going to go there.
For the first night.
Just going to chill there. He's got a caravan park, so no real camping. But it'll be fun regardless.
Let's have some fun.
Yeah. Alrighty, we're about half an hour away from Ledge Point. And it's going pretty good, pretty nice drive. Got this nice patrol ahead of me doing the wind braking. When we get to the spot, I'll show you the roof rack. It's quite packed this time. 2 swags, a gazebo for my cousin. Not really feeling the drag today, so that's good. But I can feel the lean because of the weight. How are you finding it, Savraj?
Yes, pretty good. I'm only sitting as a passenger, but
enjoying the ride?
Enjoying the ride.
Yeah.
I'm going to get there and set it up for the night and have some chicken biryani.
Oh yeah. This my cousin that we're going to tonight, he's an amazing chef. He doesn't like to admit that he's an amazing chef, but he's an amazing chef. And when we get there tonight, I'll take some videos and you'll get mouth-watering feels just from watching this video. Isn't that right?
That's right. It's gonna be a boys' night.
Well, plus the mums and the kids there, but you know, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll see you when we get there.
Boys,
Alright guys, we're at the
and it was not the best.
Ledge Point Holiday Park?
Yes, it's all
Ledge
started.
Point Holiday Park. Show you the setup now.
Oh,
We've got my swag, Raj's swag, next to each other. We've got my nieces and nephew on the car. How's it up there?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Enjoying yourself?
Yes.
You're gonna come camping with me more?
Yeah.
Too bad, I'm not gonna take you. Alright, be safe, yeah?
Yeah, we'll say. We'll just get up here.
So, Raj and I are sleeping here. And then we have my elder cousin in that home. That's him there.
Oh yeah!
That's my other cousin. So it's just a family.
Dash faster.
See?
Thanks for the chair.
So in every case, we have the kids that climb up to a place. Now they don't know how to. Now they don't know how to get down.
I know how to get down. You.
Show me.
Is that you two? Yeah, get out of the way.
Show me.
Is that you two? I know. Is that you two?
Hey, look here, girls and boys.
No, wait. Nuh-uh. Is that you two?
Yeah.
What? Hi.
Oh, he's almost done it. Looks like a spider monkey. He's done it. High five. Oh, now we have another monkey climbing up. I think I've created a jungle gym.
Brian! How come you can't get on? I'm Brian. Yeah, get on!
So this is the traditional Savraj.
A blessing to the gods for providing us with the kraken.
Righto. Here we go.
Yeah, she'll be alright.
Keeps it going.
Do you need some?
Where's my cup? Yeah, mate, go for it.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, should do.
Need
Yeah.
some more?
Yeah. Just gonna have a yeah.
I think that's enough.
I gotta drive tomorrow.
Dude. That's fucking. Nah, the mugs are big.
You can't swear on YouTube.
Explicit content. Put the tag in.
Well, we can see how this night's going. Catch you later.
Fuck.
Alright guys, that's the end of day 1, night 1. Thanks to Dilbinder for the nice food.
Cheers, mate.
This is the last drinks for the gents.
Oh yeah. I don't think so.
Here we go, blocking the light.
Good shit.
He's on the waters.
Probably the third last.
Blocking the light again.
Spray kar de.
Move on to Tera. Move on to Tera.
We actually have a pretty nice setup here. They have the gazebo going. They also have another one in there that they're going to set up tomorrow. They'll all be good.
Open your mouth and bite
Pretty
down
clean.
with it.
It's my cousin's Parado. He doesn't really do too much hardcore forward driving, just calm day trips here and there. There he is.
DM actually brought some fresh snapper, and we're going to be heading back
With a slapper.
over here.
With a slapper.
He's actually having a burger right now because he's got to settle for less. Because he's incapable of cooking right now, so we decided we'll be cooking the snapper tomorrow. But he's got, it's empty right now, but he's gonna get some more.
I'm a Maliza.
But this is the same table he's gonna use to fillet the snapper, and he's gonna show us his filleting knife skills first of all. And that's the pan, that's the gas.
That's not good, that's a stand.
One thing he always needs is Red Label,
Yeah.
and that's why I'm here
that's
to
it,
pour his
Johnny
drinks
Walker
for him.
whiskey, by the way.
Johnny Walker, yep. So we're just gonna wait till he finishes his burger and then we'll wrap up the vlog.
Wrap up the vlog.
So we'll be here for 4 hours at least.
I don't have time like that. I got to drive in the morning. I will see you guys in the morning and see you then.
Ciao, ciao.
Good morning. Day 2 here. It's pretty warm last night. Nice and cozy. Get the swag. Kids woke me up.
Stop saying JC swag.
Stop saying what?
JC swag.
Never said that.
Yeah, you did.
It needs an alarm clock when you have kids. Don't have kids. We have Mr. Iqbal here. Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I slept well.
Nice and
I
warm?
did not sleep well.
Why didn't you sleep well?
There's a baby crying next door.
Did you sleep well?
Maybe if you had better onesies,
Except for the
you'd sleep
baby.
better.
I'm wearing 2. I'm wearing
Why did
I hate you.
What's that? It's like an exorcist.
What about you, Sabra? Did you sleep well?
Yeah, slept pretty well until all the kids got up and started riding their bikes on the tarmac. There's a fucker there. Fall over.
Yeah.
Alright, let's cook up some brekkie. What do you reckon?
Yeah, need a cuppa.
Yeah, definitely a cup of tea or a cup of coffee.
Cup of tea.
Oh, coffee. Coffee, man.
So the plan for today is I'm meeting Blake in Durin Bay at 12 o'clock. And then we are going to go to North Head, where Ben, Jackson and Ashlyn are going to meet us there. I believe Jackson's by himself in East Patrol and Ben's in his Hilux. And the plan is to do a bit of fishing tonight. And then tomorrow Ben is leaving and Jackson's staying until Monday. So that's the plan, we'll see how that goes. Still have to let Ben know where we're going. Forgot to message him yesterday. And